You know, guys, I'm starting to believe this George guy's a wizard. First he got 360, and now Birds of a Feather. George, if you can somehow use your magical wizard powers to get this in Just Dance next, I will thank the heck out of you. Anywho, forget George, even though he did comment on the last Just Dance map review. We're back with another Just Dance map review, and today we're going to be reviewing Birds of a Feather. That's right, we got birds now. So, let's birds, I guess. Oh yeah, I forgot to welcome you. Welcome to the video, whatever. I don't really care. We're doing Birds of a Feather by Billie Eilish today. This, once again, is our yearly Billie Eilish song. Just dance. You guys thought we weren't gonna get one, but you guys did it. Now, I don't know what they're gonna do for next year. I think they've run out of Billie Eilish songs, unless Billie Eilish makes more songs. Or they decide to finally put Barry a Friend in the game. So yeah, let's go check out the Birds of a Feather. Oh yeah. This is gonna be something, let me just tell you all that. There's gonna be no problems whatsoever. Right, Just Dance, no problems. We're gonna be good. It's taking a while. Oh, there we go. We're just gonna ignore that real quick and, where's the birds? Shouldn't there be like a message saying Birds of a Feather on Just Dance Plus? We have to manually find. Actually, wait, hold on. We can just search this sucker up. Alright. Birds. Alright, if we see Angry Birds, I think we might be A-okay. Think we might need to type something else out. Alright, after typing that out, what the... Where's Birds of a Feather? Didn't it come out today? Give me a second real quick. Alright, I searched Birds of a Feather up. Hopefully it gives us the what? The Angry Birds? Where's this date map? Give me another second. Good news, chat, I finally found it. I don't know, the search must be broken. I searched Birds, Billie Eilish, and Birds of a Feather, but after finding that, we finally have it. Birds of a Feather by Billie Eilish, here we are. And there it is, yay, we finally found it. But, you might have noticed, I don't have any Just Dance Plus. But we can add it to my weird playlist right here. There we go. And since we can't do anything about this, Just Dance Plus thing, I do have 2 Just Dance Plus free trials, but, I don't want to activate one of them because I do plan on activating one of these when the Wonder Tales music song pack comes out. So, if we can't play the map here, how are we supposed to play it and review it for this thing we're doing? We may need to go to the dark web for this one. Alright, y'all, we've made it to the dark web. Just Dance 2019. You probably are wondering, why are we here? Well, you may have noticed this. Yeah, that's right. We're using mods. Yeah, I didn't want to have to do this, but hey, let's check this sucker out. Okay. And look at that, chat. Birds of a Feather. Ironically, above another Billie Eilish song. Alright. Here we go. There we are, fellas. We can play this now, along with other things, so... We sadly can't check out this person's name, but hey, I can play it, so I'm gonna go play this and I'll be right back. Alright. Alright, I beat it. Well, technically I just played it, but I technically didn't beat it in the main game, but, yeah, congratulations. Oh, awesome, superstar. So yeah, what did I think of this? I mean, it's alright. Do I necessarily care for it? No. But is it fine? I guess so. Alright. And oh, look at that. Remember Mojo, guys? This video is also a nostalgia trip. And level 59, yeah! That tells you how much I played Just Dance 2019. I'm just gonna skip all this. Nobody needs to see all this nostalgia. And we're not gonna do this, because if I do it, I think I might crash the game. And I'm trying to be careful with this. So yeah, no copyrighted. So yeah, that was my review of Birds of a Feather, the new Just Dance Plus song in Just Dance 2019 for some reason. So, Ubisoft, I own the game. Here it is. So, don't sue me. This is just, actually, you know what? You can go ahead and sue the Miss Melody guy. Sue him, not me. But please don't sue him. I won't have access to the great mashups in this game. Like The Wiggins. So, yeah. Oh, Miley Cyrus. We have to reference Hannah Montana. Because of reasons I'm not sure of. But, thank you so much for watching this. And I'll see y'all for the One Tales music pack. Well, I'll actually be playing it in Just Dance Plus. So, bye. You know, I never explained why this is the Dark Realms. Yeah, I think that covers it.